We Little Einstein are proud to present our DIY Made Simple project titled Hydro and Solar Energy. This project focuses on two of the most powerful and eco-friendly renewable energy sources, water and sunlight. Our aim is to demonstrate how hydro and solar energy can be harnessed using simple homemade model to promote a cleaner and more sustainable future. In this project, we explore how solar panels convert sunlight into electricity and how water flow can be used to generate power through turbines. By combining both concepts into one particular DIY model, we show how these natural sources can reduce dependence on fossil fuels and help protect the environment. Our team members are myself, Vishwajanani, Kalita, Rauha, and Shashwindra. Objective of this project is reduce the cost of electricity by using water turbine to supply electricity for the village, greenhouse farmer, and freshwater fish farming.
For our project problem statement, high electricity costs hinder rural living, greenhouse farming, and fish farming. Therefore, a suitable solution is needed to lower cost using water turbine generated power. Next, for our project requirements, we need DC motor, hard plastic, turbine, LED lights, plastic tube, glue gun, plastic Tupperware, a switch, solar panel, battery, water pump, voltage regulator, DC power supply, wires, and last but not least, terminal connectors.
On the other hand, this project consists plenty of requirements which has its own costs. First and foremost, DC motor which is 5 ringgit, turbine which is 16 ringgit, hose which is 2 ringgit, hard plastic which is 3.5 ringgit, glue gun which is 2 ringgit, LED light which is 2.5 ringgit, plastic Tupperware which is 5 ringgit, and lastly switch which is 2 ringgit. Coming to the
The
main part,
following
there
step
are some
is
steps
step number
to
6,
complete this
which
project.
is
First step,
electricity
form
from turbine
greenhouse
to be
solar
connected
panel.
to
Secondly,
greenhouse water pump
solar panel
and fish
charging
pond water
system.
pump.
Thirdly,
Seventhly,
greenhouse
electricity from
water
turbine to be
system,
supplied
pump
to
and
home and
freshwater
battery
collector
charger.
system.
Step number
Next,
8 is
form
form
upper
fish
reservoir
farming
and
pond.
lower reservoir.
9
Fifth,
is form
form
water
turbine
oxygen
generator
generator.
to generate
The
supply from
last step
upper
is
reservoir
connect
to
all
lower.
system to work.
Now I'm going to talk about the problem solving. To supply electricity for the village, freshwater fish farming, and for the greenhouse farm.